Decades ago, chia seeds were best known for sprouting on the backs of novelty terracotta pets. Today, they are a staple of modern nutrition. But when consumed incorrectly, these seeds can cause severe internal bloating or expand to block the esophagus entirely. This tutorial provides the exact steps to create a perfect, clump-free, and safely hydrated glass of chia water from start to finish. You will need whole chia seeds of any color, a glass, a spoon, and plain room temperature water. Respecting the seed's physical properties is the only way to access its nutrients without triggering a digestive emergency. Start with plain room temperature water. Using hot or ice-cold liquids inhibits the hydration process and prevents the seeds from developing an even gel. This is the strict ratio required for safe consumption. For every 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, use 150 to 180 milliliters, or about 1 cup, of water. If you are new to chia, start with only half a tablespoon to allow your gut to adjust to the sudden increase in fiber. To prevent gastrointestinal overload, do not exceed a maximum limit of 2 tablespoons per day. The moment you add the seeds to the water, you must immediately stir or shake the mixture vigorously. This mechanical action prevents the seeds from clumping. Clumping creates a waterproof barrier around dry seeds, leading to uneven hydration and a feeling of heaviness in the stomach. Never eat dry chia seeds on their own. Because they absorb fluid so rapidly, they can act like an expanding sponge in the throat, creating a dangerous blockage. Utilizing this liquid ratio and agitating the mixture immediately ensures the seeds can expand safely before you ingest them. Allow the seeds to rest for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. For the most thorough hydration, leave them for a full 2 hours. During this resting phase, the seed's outer layer hydrates to form a complex, soluble fiber gel known as mucilage. As this time-lapse shows, this mucilage allows the tiny seed to absorb up to 10 or 12 times its own weight in liquid. This split-screen comparison shows the scale of that expansion. The dry seed on the left is minuscule compared to the volume occupied by the fully hydrated seed on the right. Before you consume the mixture, you must perform a squish test to verify the seeds are soft. Extract a single soaking seed from the water and press it gently between your fingers. A pass means the seed feels entirely gelatinous. It should yield completely with no resistance. If you feel a firm, dry, or resistant core, the mixture requires more soaking time. Verifying this gel development through a tactile test protects you against the internal dehydration and cramping caused by undersoaked seeds. While chia seeds are nutritionally dense, they have essentially no natural flavor. You can make the drink more palatable by adding a squeeze of lemon or lime or a splash of fruit juice, followed by a final stir. Adding flavor must be the final step, only to be done once you have physically confirmed the seeds are fully hydrated. You now have a safe and refreshing glass of chia seed water ready to drink. Consume it before the gel thickens excessively, which can make the texture unappealing. Store any leftovers in a sealed glass container and refrigerate them immediately. Discard the mixture after 48 hours to prevent the fats in the seeds from oxidizing. After drinking, continue to consume plain water throughout the day. This helps the large amount of fiber move smoothly through your digestive tract. Mastering this hydration protocol ensures you can include chia seeds in your daily routine without the risk of blockages or digestive distress.